Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently I have received a parcel and I am really excited to share this news with all of you guys. So let's unbox it and see that what's inside. So here I have received this from Niscod Med and let me try this. I think I can peel it off. So in my channel I have been uploading a lot of tutorials and also unboxing videos, so you will be able to find a lot of unboxing videos in the coming days, as many of you has requested me to make unboxing videos more in the community post. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe, like, share and comment, and whatever, if you have any query or whatever you need me to make a video on that related to art, so you can text me on Instagram as well. So I'm really excited at what's inside this. I have been waiting to unbox it and I have already sanitized it completely. So I think it's almost over. So after peeling it, we will unbox this box. And I wanted to know that do you want me to do a stationery haul, as I have ordered so many things online. So there are a lot of stuff which I want to share with you guys and review it in front of you. So we are ready to unbox this. So this is a cutter of Natraj. I'm using this. So let me open this. So this is okay, it is upside down. 1 minute. Fully automatic blood pressure monitor. So this is from Niscod Med, a blood pressure monitor. So I think in these days this is the most essential thing, as a lot of us are facing a lot of problem due to this corona. And this is a manual from Niscod Med. So here we can see that Niscod Med is electromedical devices. So they have a variety of other electronic devices which can be used. So let's see, they have hot water bag, they have oximeter. I think this is used the most in these days. So let me keep this aside. So this is a fully automatic blood pressure monitor, and we can see the specifications all over there. This is model PW218. So it has with voice and color changing function. Okay, let me open this. I'm really surprised because I didn't expected that I will receive something like this. You may be wondering that why blood pressure monitor and what is it connected to art. So wait till the end and you will find a really surprising artwork with this. So here we have a pouch. Let me open this pouch. It is in blue color. I think it looks good. And also we have a warranty card over there. So let me keep aside this and let me open this. I really don't know that how a fully automatic blood pressure monitor would look like, and let me tell you that this pouch quality is really good. I have never expected that any pouch would be this much thick, because whenever we get any pouches with any devices or anything, they are literally a very thin cloth piece like material. So this is the BP flap, which the cloth flap which we use to measure the blood pressure. I think it is really helpful for us, as due to this COVID-19 we are not able to go outside, and even going to hospitals for a regular checkup is dangerous. And we have a 4A batteries, and this is the user manual. Let me keep this aside and let's open the main product. It is a blood pressure monitor. So with voice changing function and color changing function. So I have never seen something like voice function in a blood pressure monitor. So here I think we have to insert this batteries, and also we have a charging cable as well. So let me insert this battery first. So I think batteries are really sufficient because they have provided it in the box itself. So let me insert these batteries, and let me tell you guys that whenever I put the batteries I always get confused that where should be the +1 and where should be the -1. So let me insert it really carefully. So as I was telling that due to this coronavirus we are not able to go outside, not to any hotel or restaurant, and even for a regular checkup. So this is a really necessary thing that I think everyone should have at home. I will provide all the link to the Best Buy links in the description box, so you can order from there. Let me just check it once that how it performs, because I think that I will be able to check my blood pressure at home is really easy thing, because going to hospitals in this time is not safe at all. So I think we need to insert it from here. Yes, here I guess. Now you just need to wrap the flap around your hand below your shoulder on the left hand like this, and after that we will turn on the machine and a voice will command.
Please relax and don't move. We will start to measure now.
So this monitor will gradually increase the numbers, and after reaching 160 it will gradually decrease, and it has 3 colors. After showing the numbers, your blood pressure levels, the display board will be in green color if your levels are normal, and if it is little bit high it shows in yellow, and if your blood pressure is a little bit more high then it will show in red color. So let's see, it is normal, it is showing in green color. It is 112 SYS and 69 DIA, and the pulse rate is 73. So the blood pressure is at normal level. And you can see that it has memory storage, intelligent pressure, support USB connectivity, blood pressure level indicator.
We wish you good health.
So guys, according to me it is a really amazing device from which we can check our blood pressure anytime, anywhere. So it is a really intelligent device, as it works on a USB charging also, and even on the AA batteries. So it is really amazing. So I will give all the links in the description box, you can buy from there, and also just enjoy the next animation.